ang Presidential Security Group o PSG na ngayon ay pangalan niya PSC, Presidential Security Command. Ang batas na gumawa noon, may mandato siya. Ang mandate niya is the protection of the President and his family, protection of the Vice President and his family. At meron pang iba. So, ang PSC kasi is a command under the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Walang mga police doon. AFP at sa lahat. Ang mandate ng PSC, President and Vice President. Bakit? Bakit yan ang mandate nila? Kasi our Constitution provides for the line of succession. The Vice President is the first in line. So, ibig sabihin, the state is required, is mandated by the Constitution and by laws to protect the Vice President. Kasi pag nawala ang presidente, siya yung susunod. Kaya pinoprotektahan din siya. Kasi siya yung reserve. Kasi pag hindi mo pinoprotektahan ng reserve mo, wala ka ng reserve. Ang gagawin yan, pipili sila doon sa mga members ng Congress. O, babalik na naman tayo kay Martin doon. So, baka nga ganun yung gusto nilang gawin, no? Hindi na sila masusunod sa Constitution para na that is something I have to think about again as well. So, yun. Yeah. The PSG, now PSC, is a unit of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. It's mandate, President and family, Vice President and family. Why? Because there is a line of succession. You need to protect your reserve. Wala doon sa usapan ang Philippine National Police.